all, welcome to my channel Tech Research and in the series of Google Classroom tutorial. In this video, I am going to share with you how you can make your online teaching very interactive using Google Jamboard. It is very difficult to keep students and our participants busy and interactive during online teaching. But that can be very easily done using Google Jamboard, which supports like sticky notes, different types of activities, fonts, the easiest way of explaining things. So everything that you can do as if you're in a classroom and you're a teacher and teaching to students. So let's see how you can create a setup, how you can use, what are the different features in Google Jamboard. Let's see practically how it works. So search on internet, write Google Jamboard and you will come up with links. Click on the first link. If you're the new beginner, you don't have any Jamboard, so just create it using the plus sign here on the top. Now as you can see, you have a whiteboard which you can use. So let's see what all you can do with this. So the first thing, like for example, if you want to write something, so this is the pen which helps you to write. So for example, this is my message, welcome to my class. So if I want to use some laser to highlight the things, like for example, if I want to explain it and show it to my users using this laser, then I can use this laser. The next one, if I want to draw some text box, that can be done easily using this, and you can show like computers, you can draw the text box and you can type in it. The next feature it says is about sticky notes. Sticky notes is just reminder which you can add it anywhere and you can create n number of sticky notes in this. Like for example, if I say reminder activity for 10 minutes, there are the different sticky notes that you can use, and there is an eraser which you can use and erase the things. So it works perfectly fine with whatever the feature you're aiming to take into your class or into your activity. I want to share up image, add up an image. For example, Google image. If I want to show mountains, so these are the mountains, just click and say insert. As you can see now, there is a image of mountain. You don't have to go anywhere. You can write the images like volcano. If you are explaining to your class about volcano, just say volcano and insert. In this way, you can insert the pictures accordingly, explain to your students how you want to work them, how you make them interactive to explain the things. There are n number of boards that you can create one after the other. Once it speaks about, like we can create like one for introduction, one for explaining the things, and likewise. If we want to clear the things, just say clear frame and it will be get cleared. So let's say clear frame and it is cleared. If we want to have none for our background, in this way we can change, we can set different backgrounds, available option. We can also clear the frame from here. There is also option of zoom in and zoom out. You can give a name to your Jamboard like class activity. Okay, now what you can do, you can download it as PDF, you can make it as an image for your frame, or you can just make a copy of whatever you have written. Okay, now the best thing is how you can share this to your students. You can give the email ID of the students and just send them and send as the message. So the person added, and you will see that the number of people added will get the link accordingly. So this is very unique feature what you can use during your online class and make the class very interactive using this Google Jamboard. So I have created this beautiful volcano activity for my class, and if I shared with my students, so for example, I have shared with my student, you can even share it with this link. So let's see how it appears to the student side. So as you can see, I have logged in with the other email ID which I have shared, and exactly what you're teaching is being displayed here in a similar way what you're explaining, and with the help of images and text You can make the concepts clear and easy. This is very beautiful when you are teaching some maths activity which involves a lot of equations, and you want to insert the equations, you want to show it full diagrams and explain the detailed concept to the students or to your participants. So in this way you can use this Jamboard activity to make your session very interactive and user friendly. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.